the most cheapest one.
Uy, sobra.
Give me the
Ano mama? Ano mama?
Give me the most
Cheapest amount! Cheapest amount! Give me the most cheapest amount.
Wrong.
Cheapest amount? Ano yun?
5 seconds.
Give me the most
Give me the-
cheapest.
What's up guys?
What's up, guys?
Yun guys, dito na naman tayo. Another day, another vlog.
Yes!
Okay, for today's video guys, English, Tagalog, English.
Tagalog,
Tagalog,
English.
English.
Yes, yung Tagalog, yung Englishin nyo.
Okay.
Okay, medyo mahirap to, kaya galingan nyo.
Basic.
Yung mananalo guys, magkakaroon ng 200 pesos. Yes.
Mahirap nga.
Sakto lang, pero para sa akin basic lang to. Okay? Takot ako dyan. Kung sino una maka 10 points, siya na mananalo ng 200 pesos. Ano yan, Hana?
I'm scared of it.
Ha?
I'm scared of it.
Wrong. Wrong, mama. Takot ako dyan.
I'm scared.
No? Let's go. Wrong, mama.
Ano ba yan? Puro ba? Ilang words?
Ayan na. Basahin mo, Hana.
I'm afraid of it.
Ha?
I'm afraid of it.
Of?
It.
Is correct. Okay, Hana, meron ka ng 1 point.
Dalawang ano kasi yun. Diba?
Huwag kang masyadong mag-alala. Huwag kang masyadong mag-alala. Ano yun, mama?
Don't you worry.
Ano, mama?
Don't you worry.
Don't you worry. Wrong, mama.
Mali.
Wag.
Huwag kang masyadong mag-alala. Nahulog ang aking cellphone. Wala, masisira na to. Huwag kang masyadong mag-alala. Bibi, ba't ka nandiyan, anak?
Don't you worry. worry.
Wrong, Hana. Game. Daan ka na, Bibi. Daan ka na dito. Dali. Daan ka na. Okay?
Don't worry too much.
Ay, tingnan natin. Tama ba si Hana? Don't worry too much is correct. Okay, mama.
Tama ako, guys.
Umabol ka, mama.
Tama.
Ilan na ba ako?
0. Sigurado akong alam mo. Sigurado akong alam mo. Ama, ano ba yan, mama?
I'm sure you know it.
Wrong, Hana.
I'm sure you knew it.
Wrong.
Walang I'm sure.
Sigurado akong alam mo.
I'm sure.
Ano yun, Mama?
I'm sure you know that.
I'm sure you know that. Wrong, mama.
Mali.
Sobra.
I'm sure you know.
Is correct.
Kaya guys! Kaya!
Okay, mama. Meron ka ng
Sobra.
1 point.
Sobra.
Okay.
Dahil.
Malapit na ang kaarawan ko.
Ay!
Okay? 1, mama. 2, Hana.
My birthday is near.
Wrong, Hana.
Mali.
Malapit na ang kaarawan ko.
My birthday is close.
Wrong, Hana. Let's go,
My
mama.
birthday is coming.
Wrong, Hana. Kulang. Mama, ano yan?
My birthday is coming.
Wrong.
Coming near.
Wrong.
My birthday is coming soon.
Is correct. Ah,
Coming near.
okay.
Soon, syempre.
Near! Malapit!
Walang katotohanan yan.
Ano?
Walang katotohanan yan.
Ay! Ay, mali eh.
That is not true!
Wrong.
It's not true.
Wrong.
Mali.
Ano yun?
Walang katotohanan yan.
Walang katotohanan yan. False.
Go. Walang katotohanan yan, guys, for today's video.
This is unbelievable.
Wow, Hana is wrong. Walang katotohanan yan.
This is not,
All to na kayo, guys.
this is not,
Wrong, Hana. That is.
Ay!
ay nako.
That is
That is not true.
wrong.
Ano?
That is
Ano pa? Wait lang pa!
game.
That's it.
That is
Huh?
ab.
Anong up? Anong above? Ha?
Wait lang.
Ab?
That is ab.
Ab? About? Ano yun?
That's it. Absolutely.
Ha?
Absolute.
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 Wrong.
Lee. Absolutely.
Wrong. That is
Ako na.
ab.
That is up.
That's it about country.
Wrong.
Ah?
That is
A banger.
ab.
Hindi ko maintindihan tong...
Game. Ano ba yan? Walang katotohanan yan. Hindi nyo ba alam ang English nun?
Kalimutan ko.
Walang katotohanan.
Game.
That is...
Let's go, guys. Walang katotohanan yan.
Ano ba? Ang
Hindi
hirap.
ka pani-pani.
That is abos.
Game.
That's it.
Ab.
That is...
Tapos ang kasunod, S.
Ab.
Tapos ang tatapos sa D. Yeah!
That's it. Absurd.
Ana, ayusin mo, di nakikita. Ayusin mo, di nakikita.
That's it. Absurd.
Is correct! Okay.
Ano mo alam yun?
Siyempre, alam ko yun.
Oh, mama. Mama, 3 points na si Hana. Ikaw, mama, naka 2 points pa
Hindi
lang.
katotohanan. Walang katotohanan.
Huwag kang mahihiyang humingi ng tulong. Game?
Don't be shy to ask for help.
Ha?
Don't be shy to
Wrong.
to ask.
Huwag kang mahihiyang humingi ng tulong.
Don't be shy to ask for a help.
Wrong.
What's that?
Game?
Ano yun? Huwag kang mahiya. Ano na, ma?
Mama, let's go, mama.
Don't.
Huwag kang mahihiyang humingi ng tulong.
Parang yung mahiya, parang may dalawa siya. In ano,
Don't
except Sasha.
hiss.
Ha?
Don't hiss.
Don't hiss.
Don't hit ko. H-E?
Yeah. Huwag Grabe, sumunod siya. Tapos mali naman.
Don't hesitate to ask for a help.
Ano na?
Don't hesitate to ask for a help.
Is correct!
Don't please.
Clue nga. Mama, clue lang yun. Hindi ko naman pwede sabihin yung buong...
Akala ko magaling ka sa clue.
Parang ano yun?
Hana, 4 points. Mama, 2.
Blanco pa ako ngayon.
Wala lang kotak. Wala.
Sa ating dalawa lang to. Sa ating dalawa lang to.
Ay, naku.
Ano yan, Mama? Basahin mo.
It's just the
Ha?
two of us.
Wrong.
This is just the
Wrong. Ano ba yun? Bobobo?
Just the two of us.
Wrong, Mama.
Ano ba?
This.
Oh, tama ako kanina.
Just the... This lang, Mama. This.
This, the two of us.
Wrong.
Yun nga.
This, two of us.
Ba yan? Wrong.
This is two of us.
Wrong.
Ano ba?
This is only.
Only two of us.
Wrong.
This is only two of us. This is only
Ano ba English ng dalawa?
two.
Magkasama. Sa ating dalawa lang ito.
This only for us.
Wrong.
This only us.
Wrong. Game.
This is only for us.
Wrong, Ma'am.
Nga, sagot ko nga.
Ano ba yan?
Game. Sirit na ba?
This only us.
Wrong. Ang tamang sagot ay this is only for.
Four.
Game. Dito ka nyo na.
For two of us.
Wrong, Mama. Game.
This is only for the two of we.
Wrong.
Ang totoo po eh.
This is only for the two of us.
Wrong. Ang tamang sagot is this is only for both of us. Okay? Basta to, Mama, for Hana.
Both.
Both pala.
Mas matanda ka sa
Baka
akin.
yun eh.
Mas matanda ka sa akin.
You are older than me.
Ano, Hana?
You are older than me.
Is correct, Hana. Ayan si Mama.
1 to ilan na ba?
Oh, 5 na si Hana, 2 ka, Mama.
1 to 10 to?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, galingan mo, Mama. Umiinom ka ba?
Umiinom ka ba?
Umiinom ka ba? Huwag mo na isulat yung Mama dahil talo ka na.
Are you drinking?
Ha?
Are you drinking?
Wrong. Umiinom ka ba?
Bayaw, nakita.
Umiinom ka ba?
Are you drunk?
Wrong.
Tayo na.
Wala ba kayong tinta?
Do you drink?
Ha?
Do you drink?
Lakasan mo?
Do you drink?
Is correct.
Ay, panalo na ako.
Okay.
Kasi ano eh, pababa ng score.
Pababaan. Pababuhan. Anong itsura?
Ay.
Anong itsura nun? Anong itsura nun?
What's the face of it?
Wrong? Mama. What's happened, Mama? Sorry ka, Mama, dahil walang Google. Walang Google na hawak si Mama. Walang cellphone. Google niya sana yun.
Dapat may ganun no, paunahan ng search. Ano yun? Tanong mo?
Anong itsura nun? Anong itsura nun?
What's her?
Ano hair?
Game.
Ano ba?
Non.
Ha?
Non.
Anong itsura nun?
Clue.
Clue. Go.
Wow!
What's that?
Alright.
What's
What's
That.
that face?
Anong
What's
itso
that
nun?
face?
Wrong.
Mukha pala yun ng face.
Anong itsura nun? What's that? L.
L?
Laboratory.
What's that?
L-I. Ano ba yan? Kulang na, sabihin ko lahat.
What's that?
What's that lingu?
Wrong.
Ano yan? Lingyo? Ano ba? Lalim mo ah.
Game.
What's that?
Lini.
Life.
What's that lini?
Wrong. Ang tamang sagot ay
Wala pa.
what's that? La.
Anong la? Sabi mo,
Sabi mo
le.
La.
Lila.
English to eh.
Life.
La. Ha?
Life.
Life? Wrong.
Life.
I or A?
What's that? Ano ba daw? Ano yung tsura nun?
5 seconds guys, sasabihin ko na ang tamang sagot. 1, 2,
What's that levy?
3,
What's that leaf?
4,
What's that lava?
5. Ang tamang sagot, what's that like?
Like?
Yes.
Ano nga? Bakit like? Diba? Like.
Yung like gusto yun eh.
Eh, yun ang tamang sagot eh. Okay? Panghuli yun. Panghuli
Baka yan love
yun.
naman ah.
Panghuli yun. Dali lang.
What's that class?
Wrong. Boy, wala na naman tayong...
Kung nga guys, ang bilis.
Bago lang yan ah.
Kakabili lang. Wala agad.
Mabilis maubos.
Guys, bilhin mo ako.
Game.
Mumurahin lang kasi to guys.
Panghuli iyon. Sabihin nyo na lang, ilapag nyo na yung, ilapag nyo na yung whiteboard nyo dyan.
You're the last.
That's
Wrong.
the last.
Ha?
That's the last.
Wrong.
Last.
Wrong.
This is the last.
Wrong.
Is that the last?
Game.
Is it a last?
Wrong.
It's the last.
Clue.
That.
That's a last.
That was a last.
Wrong. That. Come.
That comes
That
last.
comes last.
Ha?
That comes last.
Paulitan
Tingin ka sa
na.
kanya
That
kasi.
comes last.
Is correct.
Correct! Oh, galing. Kinuha
Okay,
mo.
Hana, meron ka ng 7
Mali
points.
ka. Wala kang
Sabi ko,
S. Wala kang S.
Okay?
touch ka first. Oh, di ba?
Ano ba yan? Di ba kayo marunong English, guys?
Guys,
Alam niyo,
si Mama lang yun. Ako marunong ako.
Nandun lang yon.
Oh, malaglag.
Nandun lang yon.
Andun.
Game.
Andyan. Andun.
Ana, 7 points ka na. Mama,
Oh,
2.
7 ka. Bilisan mo.
Mama, 2.
Turuan kita.
Andun
Mama,
lang.
ano? Nandun lang yon.
Andun lang yun.
Ano?
There.
Ay, matalino.
Wrong.
There or there.
Matalino ka, di ba?
Hindi masyado eh.
Hindi na masyado. Tumatanda na kasi.
Wala na yung memory ko. Sino ka ba?
Nandun lang yon is just.
It's just...
It's just there.
Is correct.
Ay! Sasabihin ko nga yun eh.
Okay.
Naunahan ako.
Hana, 8 points.
Yes.
8 points.
Wait po sa
Bigyan mo ako ng mas mura.
Give me mas.
Give me.
Give me mas easy.
Ano na?
Ano?
Give me cheaper than.
Oy,
Yes.
muntik na, muntik
Cheaper
na.
than.
Just give me mas cheapy.
Ano mama? Ano?
Just give me cheapest.
Wala, wrong. Lapit na.
Just give me
Stop!
cheapest than.
Ma, upa ulit.
Just give me
Wrong.
Daddy.
Ano yan? Woo!
Bigyan mo ako. Ana.
Just give me a
Ako nga.
cheaper than it.
Give me the most cheaper.
Wrong.
Give me the most cheapest.
Wrong.
Cheapest amount.
Ana, palit.
Give me the most cheapest amount.
Uy, sobra.
Give me
Ano, mama?
give me the most
Cheapest amount. Cheapest amount. Give me the most cheapest amount.
Wrong.
Cheapest amount? Ano yun?
5 seconds.
Give me the most
Give me the-
cheapest.
Give me a.
Give me a cheapest.
Wrong.
Kasi tatawa ako
Give
sa'yo.
me a cheaper.
Wrong. Kulang.
Give me a cheaper. It.
Wrong.
Ako!
Ah. Game.
Si mama kasi.
Game.
Give me
Yo,
a
magsalita.
cheapest.
Give me most cheapest
Give me a-
amount.
Cheap.
Wrong.
Give me a
5 seconds.
Give me a cheap.
1, 2,
Give me the most
Give me a
3,
amount of cheapest.
4, 5. Ang tamang sagot. Ang tamang sagot ay give me a cheaper one.
Ano ba yan?
Ah!
Kalawan lang.
Yes. Game.
Amount of cheapest nga.
Give me the cheaper two.
Naiinis ako sa ugali niya.
I'm angry. Ay, hindi. I'm upset.
Wrong?
Wala pa. I'm upset.
I'm angry with her attitude.
Wrong. Naiinis ako sa ugali niya. I'm this.
I'm this. Ano yun? I'm mad.
Naiinis ako sa ugali niya. I'm
mad for
This.
her attitude.
Ay, ako pa. I'm disappointed.
wrong.
I'm disappointed for her attitude.
This ang spelling ng this D-I-S.
Yun nga pa.
Ano?
I'm this.
I'm disappointed.
Ga.
Disgrateful. I'm disgrateful.
I'm this girl.
I'm this gas.
I'm
I'm
disgusted.
disgusting. I'm disgusting.
Wrong.
Oh, ano ba yan, man? Di ba nakainis disgusting?
Ma,
Di ba?
Lumuluwal yung mata. Okay.
Disgusting yun.
Ngayon sa ugali niya. I'm disgusted.
Disgusted for her attitude.
Ano mama?
For her attitude.
Wrong.
I'm
For-
disgusted for her personality.
Ano?
Wrong.
I'm disgusted.
I'm disgusted for her actions.
Wrong.
I'm disgusted for his actions.
I'm disgusted attitude.
Uy, malapit na si
Pa!
mama.
Disgusted
I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted for his attitude.
Disgusted her attitude.
Wrong.
Pa ako kasi, si mama kasi.
I'm disgusted
his attitude.
with.
I'm disgusted with his attitude.
Oh, I'm
Ano, mama?
I'm
disgusted with
disgusted with
attitude.
his attitude.
Ano ba? Sumasabay ka ako nga?
Ano mama?
I'm disgusted with attitude.
Wrong.
Ano?
Kulang.
Pa!
Hana.
I'm disgusted.
Nabubulol na.
Game.
Why is that?
Game.
I'm disgusted for his attitude.
Ano ma? Ano?
I'm disgusted for his attitude.
Wrong.
I'm disgusted for her attitude.
Mama.
Ako muna. That's
Mama.
tayo, guys.
Ang
I'm
dami.
disgusted with
Ay, wait ba?
her attitude.
Wrong. Kulang.
Ah, kulang pa. With
Mali.
her.
Yan, mama.
I'm disgusted
With
with his attitude.
Is correct.
Ayan. Ay, sinabi ko yung kanina.
Ay, hindi mo sinabi, mama.
Sabi mo 4.
Game.
Parang na-stroke.
Game.
Ay.
Hana, 9 points.
Okay.
Mama,
Ano ba yan?
2.
Ito pala ako.
Mama.
Ito si Ana.
Huwag mo silang intindihin.
Don't. Don't.
Huwag mo silang intindihin.
Never mind.
Mama?
Never mind.
Wrong.
Don't listen to them.
Ano, Ana?
What do they know?
Wrong.
Don't listen them.
Wrong.
Don't
Muntik
listen
na.
to them.
Wrong.
Don't listen to them.
Wrong.
Don't listen.
Wrong.
Huwag mo sila
Don't mind.
Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
Don't mind them.
Uy, ako na una.
Si Mama.
Ako, sabi niya, don't mind him.
Oh,
Ano, Mama?
don't mind
Mama,
them.
umamin ka na. Ako talaga
Don't
na una.
mind
Them.
is correct.
Oh.
Ako talaga.
Ako ba talaga sasagot?
Si Mama ang
Ang
sasagot.
daya, walang
Diba?
gano'n na.
Game.
Oy, tatlo pa nga lang ako eh.
Game.
Ikaw 9 na.
Ayaw kong maghintay ng ganong katagal.
I don't want to wait for
Ano?
that.
Ako.
Mama.
I don't want to wait too long.
Tulong.
Yeah.
Wrong. Muntik
Ah,
na.
ako na, ha?
Game.
Yeah. You turn.
Ana?
I don't want to wait for a while long.
Huh?
Ano na na?
I don't want to wait for a while long.
Wrong. Muntik na.
I don't want to wait for a while ago.
Wrong. Sobra-sobra.
A while.
Ana?
I don't want to wait for an hour long.
Wrong.
I don't want to wait for a while.
Wrong.
Ano pa
I
din?
don't want to wait.
Matagal.
Matagal. Oo nga, I don't want to wait for a
Ay,
too long.
ayaw kong maghintay ng ganong katagal.
Oh, I don't want to wait too long.
Wrong.
Wait lang. Ang long, mahaba.
Kaya nga, matagal.
Tagal. Tama. Tama naman.
Ah, nga!
Ah.
I don't want to wait. No. I don't want to wait
Game.
too longer.
Wrong.
I don't want to wait.
Si Mama.
I don't
Sobra-sobra ka
want to
naman.
wait longer.
Wrong.
Ano ba yan? Papa?
I don't want to wait longer.
Uy, wrong.
I don't want to wait while longer.
Wrong. 5 seconds.
Longer na lang, wait.
1,
I don't want to wait
2,
too much longer.
3,
I don't want to wait much longer.
Much
4.
longer.
I don't want to wait
Five.
much longer.
Ang tamang sagot, I don't want to wait that long.
Ah, that.
Hindi oh.
Too long.
Tulong!
Game.
Ayan. Hoy, mag-practice
Isa na lang. Hana, isa na lang. Ikaw na yung panalo.
Hindi mo mananalo.
Makakabot ako dito.
Hindi mo mananalo.
Game.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Ilan na
Gumana ba?
Ha?
Gumana ba?
Gumana?
Is it work?
Uy, malapit na.
Is it work it?
Wrong.
Is it work it?
Mama?
Is it work it?
Wrong, Mama.
Is it work?
Wrong.
Work.
Wrong.
Work. W-O-R-K-E-D.
Anong work?
Oh, is it work?
Gumana ba?
Is it work?
Mama?
Is it work?
Did.
Did
Did it work? Ako na pa.
Ah.
Ako na sasagot.
Yan, mamang
Did
nauna.
it work?
Mama,
Sabi mo
ulit.
salit-salit. Tapos pag
Is
ganyan si
correct.
Mama. Salit-salit.
Mama, 8 points.
Three pa lang sa kanina.
4 pa lang.
4 points.
Bibigla mo naman si Ana.
Okay. Pinaprank ko lang. Gusto ko umiyak eh.
Hindi ako iiyak.
Pwedeng makahingi ng listahan nito.
Can I have the list of it?
Ano, Hana?
Can I have a list of it?
Ano, Hana?
Can I have a list of it?
It. Wrong.
Can I have...
Mama. Ah.
Tapos kanina, nakadalawang sa...
Ah.
Can I have a list of that?
Mali.
That? Sayang. Wrong. Hana?
Ano ba yun?
Ay!
Can I have? Ano nga yun pa?
Pwede ba makahingi ng listahan nito? Muntik
Can
na
I
mama.
have a list of this?
Ano, Hana?
Can I have?
Ano?
The list of...
Can I have? Ano?
Kaya nga, can I have?
Ano?
Can I have a list of it? Ay, a list of this.
Eat
This! Nasagot ko ang kanina eh.
this. Mama, ano tama sagot?
Tama yan.
Ba yun?
Wrong.
Mali.
Correct! Okay, I'm so sorry, Mama.
Pinatagal ko ni mama eh. Nilaso mo ko eh.
Ikaw na talaga ako.
Hana, meron kang 100
That and
pesos.
Ano
Okay,
pa tayo dito
Mama.
guys?
I'm so sorry. So, bago natin tapusin ang
Ayun,
video na to,
napakulat lahat.
sino muna sa shoutout mo, Mama?
shout out kay Mr. Hawaii, kay Mr. Mark Anthony, at kay Sir Mike Jones, at sa inyong lahat.
Okay, so, mukhang sila lang ang kilala mo, Mama.
At siyempre sa mga pamilya natin sa taas,
Okay?
at mga friends out there. Yan.
Wow, amazing.
At si Melay at si Jinri.
Ako yun.
Hana,
Shout out sa inyo lahat! At sa mga bagong subscriber natin dyan at sa mga matagal na subscriber. Shout out kay Papang, kay Mr. Hawaii, kay Mami, kay Tita Belay, at kay Tita Juni!
okay,
Shout
so,
out!
medyo
Bago nating subscriber yun.
Sina?
Si Tita Juni.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon, ngayon ka lang nag-subscribe. But anyway, thank you so much. Okay, Hana, tanggapin mo ang 200 pesos. Okay, Hana, tanggapin mo ang 200 piso.
Dalawang
Thank you
daang
so much,
libo.
Hana, dahil ikaw ang nanalo. Mama, bawi ka sa susunod. Sana galingan mo na sa math.
Magpapractice na ako
Mag-aral ka math tuloy. Mag-aral ka mag-ingay. Okay, guys.
Guys,
Alam ko talaga na
Nag-New Year lang, guys. Nagkabulol-bulol na tayo, guys. Okay, guys. Hanggang sa
Guys,
muli.
napuno lang ako kanina dahil kay Mama.
Salamat sa panonood. Sana huwag kayong magsawang mag-like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Bye!
Yun, guys. Hanggang sa muli. See you next vlog.
Bye-bye! Subscribe!